Hey guys and welcome, and today we'll show you how to build a game PC for $2,000. So this PC will run any game at full ultra settings at 1080p. So let's get started. The processor is the Intel Core i7-4790K. This is the best choice for this build. It's clocked at 4 GHz and it has 8 megabytes of cache, and also it's fully unlocked so we can overclock this processor. This processor comes at $340. To overclock this processor, we need a great cooling solution. So we'll go with Corsair H100i. So this is a very great choice for this build. It will give our processor good cooling so we can overclock it, and also it has great build quality so it will last long. So this water cooling or cooling solution comes at For the motherboard, we'll go with ASUS Z97A. So this motherboard can holds up RAM up to 32 gigabytes any speed, and also it supports up to 3-way SLI, so we can put 3 graphics card in SLI. So also this motherboard has the new Intel Z97 chipset, which means that this motherboard supports the 4th gen as well as 5th gen processors. And also it has the new M.2 SSDs. When it comes out, you can put your SSD with this motherboard. So this motherboard comes at $145. The graphics card is the EVGA GTX780Ti Super Clocked Edition. So this is the fastest single card in today's market. It will run any game at full ultra settings, and it has a base clock of 1006 MHz, a boost clock of 1072 MHz, and also it has 3 GB of GDDR5 384-bit memory. And also this graphics card has 2880 CUDA cores. So this graphics card comes at $720. The SSD is the Samsung 840 EVO 500GB version. So this is one of the best SSDs in today's market. It has a read speed of 540 megabytes per second and a write speed of 520 megabytes per second. So also it has 5 gigabytes of space, which is very enough. This SSD comes at $250. The hard drive is the Western Digital Black 1 terabyte. So this hard drive is one of the best hard drives in today's market. It's 7200 RPM and it has 64 megabytes of cache, and also it has 1 terabyte of space, which is very enough for all our stuff. So this hard drive comes at $80. The RAM is a Corsair Vengeance Black 16 gigabyte version. It's clocked at 1600 MHz, which is the sweet spot for gaming, and also it has 16 GB of space, which is more than enough for gaming. So this RAM comes at $165. The case is the Fantex Enzo Pro. So this is one of the best cases in the market. It has great build quality and also great airflow, and also this case is water cooling ready. So if we want to water cool our components, we can do this in this case. So this case comes at $150. The power supply is the Corsair CX750M. So this power supply is semi-modular, so we'll only use the cables that we need, and also has great build quality because it's by Corsair, and also at 80 plus bronze efficiency, which is great. So this power supply comes at $85. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.